What's up, everyone? Welcome back! If you love mobile games and want easy ways to enhance your gameplay, you're in the perfect spot. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always one of the first to get new tips, cheats, and game tricks.
Today I'm showing you a super simple way to stack up coins in DramaBox. It works on both Android and iOS, no root, no hassle, just a quick hack method that actually works. Alright, let's get into it. First things first, double check that your DramaBox app is up to date. Head over to your app store, search for the DramaBox, and if you see that update button, tap it and let it do its thing. This step makes sure the method runs smoothly on the latest version. Once you've got that done, we're good to move on. Next up, open your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, whichever you prefer, and head over to the site I'm using for this tutorial. Once you're there, type DramaBox into the search bar and tap on it from the list. That'll bring you to the tool page where everything is set up and ready to go. Looking good so far, let's keep it moving. On the mod tool page, you'll see an overview of what the tool offers. Look for the orange button and go ahead and tap that. That kicks off the setup, linking the tool with your game. It only takes a few seconds for everything to sync. Just hang tight while it finishes prepping the connection. Before the resources gets delivered to your game, there's a quick human check. Usually, it just asks you to download a free app from the official store and complete a small task, like opening the app or using it briefly. It's super simple and helps stop bots from jamming up the system. Need a walkthrough? There's usually a short video right on the page to help you out. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now just jump back into the game and check out your resources balance. If you followed the steps, your new resources should be right there waiting for you. I've tested this myself, works perfectly, no lag, no bugs. Easiest way to boost your game without paying a cent. And there you have it, a fast, simple way to load up on resources and skip the grind. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. Share the video with anyone else who could use a little boost. Got a question or ran into a snag? Drop a comment down below. I read them all and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss my next tutorial or hack. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the game and I'll catch you in the next hack tutorial.